Hello everybody, welcome to POV Driving. Today we're testing out the new Discovery. This is top of the line HSE Luxury. It's a pretty big car, great family wagon. This car has 7 seats. 7 seats. Let's take it for a little spin, guys. The car feels very, very big when you maneuver it through a corner. This is after all a very, very big car. So it really feels like it's floating around on the streets. But it's really easy to drive. Any driver can drive it without a problem. It's very safe also, you know, you sit high up and you have a lot of control. And if you crash, the other car will get destroyed, not this one. So that's a positive thing for the family. This specific car has the V6 diesel, which is probably the best option of engines for the car. It has 7 seats, so you can really fill up and go for long distances. We have some nice wood here also. That's like really majestic, combined with this white leather here. We have a panoramic roof. So this is a really, really enjoyable car. It's very comfortable. These seats are soft and nice. They're air ventilated with heat and cooling. We have so many different driving modes, mostly off-road modes. So you can basically go off-road anywhere in this car. I can show you a clip or two of us attacking a hill. So it's really easy to drive off-road. I could go, can you see the grass here? I could basically go there in like 200 kilometers per hour without a problem. So that's really fun with this car. It's really big, it's really fearless, you know. You feel really strong in this car, and you also feel like quite a boss, you know. It gives you a very, very good feeling when you drive it. It's something special, something extra. It's not your typical Land Rover. This is top of the line Land Rover material, and it really, really feels it. You know, the bumps and any disturbance on the road, it's just soaked up by this hydraulic suspension, and it's a pleasant experience. This specific car costs around 1 million crowns, so it's pretty expensive, but you can the base price of this car is around 600,000, so that's not too much. And they're going down in price now, so they're becoming much more price efficient. Fuel economy is quite good for being such a big car. The performance is not great. 250 horsepower and 600 Newton meters through a 8-speed automatic gearbox with paddles on the steering wheel. It's not a boring car, but it's no sports car at all. It's a real family wagon that's great at doing many things. You can cruise, you can go shopping, you can... It's a great daily wagon. I'm not sure what can be a better option for a big 7-seater daily wagon. The Audi Q7 maybe, but this is much more big and luxurious, I think. More character. This is like, you can really feel it. We have a great sound system. We have quite a lot of technology in this car. Even though it's not the highlight technology, definitely the road presence and the road comfort in this car is the high peaks of it. There's not a lot that competes. We have great visibility here. We have a big window. great sight, you know, you can see everything in this car. So yeah, the Discovery to me has always been like a boring car, you know. It's like a car that hasn't really caught my attention much at all. Now I can really look at it from a different angle. This is a really, really unexpected car. You know, you don't expect this kind of luxury and refinement in such a donkey, you know. It's like meant to pack up a lot of things and go longer distances, but it really surprises me in a positive way. So that's great fun to see that Land Rover can make cars that impresses young people also. I would really consider this if I had 1 million crowns and a family of 7 people. I don't think I would choose anything else. What would you pick for 1 million crowns if you had a family of 7 people? Please comment below and we can discuss it. Even the blinkers make like a good sound, you know. It's not the typical blinker, it's a good sounding blinker. It's the small details of this car that makes it up. This wood here is phenomenal, and everywhere you look there's just nice materials. You don't find a lot of plastic cheap shit, basically. And I can press a button here that makes the car even higher. And it really makes it a different car, because you get like 20 centimeters higher than you usually do, and that makes a ton of a difference on the streets. All normal cars just fade away once you go up. The new Discovery has really made a huge improvement. The exterior has been changed, the interior has been changed. So basically the car is very new, and it's not what we have seen before. So Land Rover has done a really good job of improving the Discovery to a broader audience. You know, now more people are going to be interested in this car, because now it is a luxury cruiser. And I really think that they will sell a lot of these cars. But yeah, it's a very quiet cabin also. You don't get a lot of road noise. You really feel isolated inside this luxurious cabin. But yeah, it's not slow at all, you know. If you put your foot down, the car will move. But that's thanks to all the torque that this V6 diesel provides us. Without the torque, you know, this car would be a big problem. They should make a SVR, Land Rover Discovery SVR. That would be pretty cool with the V8 in this beast. It would look a lot of fun. It would compete with the GLS 63. So that would be a cool battle. We have the Meridian surround sound system, which is pretty cool and pumps the bass. But yeah, compared to the Ford Fuga and the Jaguar E-Pace that we drove a couple of weeks ago, this really feels like another level. You know, it feels bigger, more luxurious. It's just a much more of a car. So it's fun to see that the price tag really makes a difference. You don't get much engine sound though. It's like a tractor thingy, you know. It's nothing spectacular. So this is a 4 Series in front of me, and you can basically see how small it looks. I am like a meter higher than him. I could probably run him over, and I would want to, because I'm not the biggest fan of BMWs, douchebag drivers, etc. But yeah, this is a really pleasant experience. A family man would really love this car. A dream come true. And the wife would also love him even more, I think. This is a real girl discotheque, because it's everything a girl wants. Fisker Karma. Ooh, pretty cool. But yeah, this is the new 2018 Land Rover Discovery. And this is the HSE luxury package, as I said before. And it's a pleasant experience. I have this nice arm supporter here, and I also have this big thing here. So I basically put one hand there and one hand here, and I can drive like this, and it's very comfortable. Also in these big seats here, you know, you feel like a pure boss in this car. If you like this video or want to support us at POV Driving, we would really appreciate if you press the subscribe button. We would really appreciate if you press the subscribe button and the like button, so we can get more cars to drive. My name is Nicholas Orveland, and this is POV Driving. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys soon. Ciao.